Wow, little artists! Are you ready to draw something cool today? Let's draw a desk together. It's going to be so much fun! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw the tabletop. Start with a nice big rectangle. This will be the top of our desk. Now, let's make it 3D by adding 2 diagonal lines on the sides and connecting them. Great job! Now, let's draw the bottom parts of the desk. Add 2 big rectangles underneath the tabletop, one on each side. These will be the desk space. Awesome! Time to draw the legs of the desk. Draw small rectangles at the bottom corners of the desk to make its legs. Super simple, right? On one side of the desk, let's draw 3 drawers. Draw 3 rectangles stacked on top of each other. Don't forget to add little circles in the middle for the handles. Look, our desk is getting ready. Let's decorate the desk. On top, let's draw a pen stand. Add some pens sticking out. So cute! Now, draw a few books stacked together. Next, let's draw a table lamp with a curved neck and a lampshade. Finally, draw 3 little pieces of paper. Wow, our desk looks so busy and fun. Great work! Now, take your marker and go over the outlines to make them bold and sharp. This will make the desk pop out. Amazing job, everyone! Yay! Now it's time to bring our desk to life with colors. Let's use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color.
Yay!
Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Wow, little artists, you did an amazing job. Our desk looks colorful and ready for work. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun drawings. See you next time.
Yay!
Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.